So finally gave in to my temptation and got this metal debit card. Looks pretty premium, right? It has some smudge marks, but the looks of it looks very premium. The weight is there and the monotonous silver looks pretty good on it. For the look wise, it is definitely a yes. And look at it, man, the finish, pretty awesome. So it just doesn't have the looks, it also has some value to it, and the value is also pretty serious. So let's talk about the cashback on this debit card, because looks don't just serve, right? For the first thing, it provides 5% cashback on everything, offline and online. I have it here, if you can see here. Yep, 5% on everything. Secondly, it's also on fuel. I just tested it. I refueled my car and I got 5% back on fuel. Pretty good, right? So everything, whatever you have offline spends around 10,000, you will get 500 back on this, right? Also, it has 20% off on Zomato dining. Also, buy one get one free on Book My Show, up to 300 rupees of value of a ticket, and complimentary domestic lounge. That's pretty common in every debit card right now. But the two main features are the cashback and the 20% on Zomato dining for a debit card. Okay. The eligibility criteria for this card is you are a new customer to Kotak. Kotak doesn't provide this card to its previous customers. I don't know why, but I was new to it, so I got this debit card. And also you have to do the KYC. That the KYC for this account and for this card needs to be done physically. That is, you have to go to a branch and get this card. Yeah, for getting this card and bringing down the fees to 999 to be it a sweet deal for you, you'll have to fund your Kotak account and open a Kotak Super account and fund it with 81,100 rupees. And you can bring down the fees of 5,000 to 999 for this, and you can't waive that off. That fees will be there. But even if you get 500 cash back for say 12 months, 6,000 minus 1,000 is 5,000. So the value comes out and the fees pays for it. Plus, if you go for a movie, that's a plus. If you go for a dining, that is another plus, right? So bring down the fee. You will have to fund it with 81,100, or 5,000 doesn't make this card a worthy contender at all. Also talking about, one more benefit for this card is you don't have to maintain any relationship value with Kotak like other HDFC or ICIC, or you go for Access Priority debit cards or Millennia debit cards. You can get Millennia and Platinum easily, but you'll have to maintain a relationship value with them, that is 10,000, 15,000. This is a zero savings account, no minimum balance required, only 10,000 to be added in your account every month, and you are anyway gonna spend that 10,000 rupees, so it makes sense, right? So is this card really paisa worthy? I would say definitely yes. For the looks of it, for the cashback it provides until it is devalued. It was 399 for this before, now it's 999, so get it before it gets devalued again and again. I don't know if it will be valuable in 6 months, because how the devaluations are going on for credit cards and debit cards. 2026 has been serious damage to credit card enthusiasts everywhere. So if you like such videos, please give a give a subscribe, and don't forget to hit that like, because I'm new to this and I'm trying to bring you good content. Thank you.